In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a call to action button to your SMS landing page. Now, as you can see, I've already got an image and some text beneath it in my landing page. I just want to add a call to action button. Now, it's important to note that call to action buttons must go at the bottom of your landing page. This is because Messaging Studio can send RCS and use SMS landing pages as a fallback option, which means it has to follow the same structure, which means call to action buttons go at the bottom. So here you can see that these are your button options. We've got a link button and a calendar button. So I'm just going to click on a link button and it gets added here. So click on it again to edit it. In display text, this is your main call to action message. And then you also have to add in a URL. Now the link can be to your website, it can be to a registration form, whatever it was that you want to send your customers to. And then beneath this, you can change the color of the text on the button. You can also change the background color, so it's white, whatever you fancy. And you can also change the border of the button to make it a little bit more distinctive. You can also change the weight of the text and the size of the text. You can change these colors here if you go to the Styles tab. And you can also add in hex codes to match your brand. To see what your page will look like, switch to preview. There you go. That is your SMS landing page with a button.